There's something about walking around late at night in the snow that just can't be beat. Like crunch under my feet and the crisp air feels good on my lungs, and I don't know, it just feels clean and pure, and it's really beautiful tonight because the sky is wide open, like just epic stars tonight. And yet there's snow everywhere. And the snow is actually from yesterday, but it held really well today. It was cold. And so it's just crisp and beautiful and white everywhere. And I get to enjoy it in peace and quiet. This is why we moved out to the country, because I just can't get enough of the quiet out here. And how much I can see the stars. Just doesn't get any better.